That's about right. With these Ampegs and their mountainous iron. Pardon the sound of the aircraft out there. Always strafing, always searching. And but we're back inside of this Ampeg, the old Blueline SVT, the old super vacuum tube, as it were. And I've just completed cleaning out the power tube socket, all these octals, or loctals rather. With the cool clamp devices. You know what's ridiculous? All the care that I do put in, and intention that I place into the content that I post. And I don't get many views, but that's all right. I'm not really doing that for that. I'm just doing it because it makes me feel good. But, I run out of time one day, and then I just film a short clip of me just going blah, 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 and popping the old anode cap off. And the thing gets 20,000 views in like 10 days. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. But I'm going to give a thorough cleaning to this board and these sockets, obviously. And I'll pick up filming after I do that. I have to meet a customer real quick, but, well, we'll get in here. And we'll do some work together.